In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a resume in Novoresume. Now, if you want to save a resume, meaning you actually want to just save it into your documents, you can do that very simply. Whenever you make any edits, you simply want to go to the top right, click on My Documents, and it's going to save automatically. Now, you can check this. There we go. As you can see, modified. Last was 1519, which is this current second. So I can just go ahead and click on it, and the changes have been saved. There's no save button. It automatically saves. However, if you would like to download it and save it onto your computer, you can just go and click on the download here in the top, and then here select either a TXT file or PDF file, give it a name, and click on download PDF. When you do this, it's going to save onto your computer. You can just click on it to open it up like this. And of course, if you want to at a later date, you can go and import this as a PDF. So if I click on upload PDF and, for example, open this resume, that's going to open the saved resume up over here, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.